Oh, hello, and welcome to Better Than Common Garage. I'm your host, I think, for the most part. No, that was stupid. What is up, guys of YouTube? My name is Jesse. Welcome back to Better Than Common Garage. Today, I want to give you guys an explanation of where I've been and what I've been doing the past, well, I don't know, 3 months. It seems like I've been off YouTube. I think one of the last videos I left off on was my lathe video, pretty sure. And that project has been put on hold. It got cold and crappy out and I didn't really feel like working on it, and some delays were discovered, but I'll show you what's going on with that. So I come in here to the garage. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, I got a microphone on. Well, let me know if you like that. But here's the garage where I keep the lathe, and as you can tell, things have gotten worse in here, not better. Winter projects happened. I had a big honeydew project to do, and that required me to bust out the old table saw and do a bunch of work there. But the lathe is still here. Hasn't gone anywhere. Hasn't gotten any better, but it hasn't gone any worse. It was already covered in dirt. Now it just has a layer of dirt of my own. But I come to realize, and the reason it got paused is because I don't have power out here like I should. Something happened to the power of this garage on the main feed into the garage. I've come to realize that there's only one leg of power that's hot coming in. So I think what happened in the driveway here, this garage used to be a butcher shop 100 years ago. I put the garage door in it, and I'm pretty sure from here to in this area is where the original power line is for this, and it's not in conduit, and I'm pretty sure driving over it and stuff punctured one of the legs of power. So the lathe project has been put on hold until I get the money and time to dig a trench and run an adequate power line into my shed there. So that's where that's at. There's a big old Oliver peeking out from behind the garage there. The Barn Find B2, it's still kicking, running pretty good, getting me where I need to go. Hasn't let me sitting. Let's see what other projects I got around here. Let's go show you the arc droid. No, I got comments on that. Some people were wondering. I got a comment recently. A guy was wondering if there was a they were giving them out for free or something. No, he paid full price for it. Let's see in here. Oh yeah, we got a dog cage with chickens in it, and then the dogs like to come in, that one especially, and then try to bite the heads of the chicken as they come up and look. Anywho, my Bronco, random junk in my garage. The arc droid, I haven't shown it in the video in a while. I've cut a fair bit of stuff with it, done a lot of cool things. I've made a little marker holder for it, turned it into a sort of like a makeshift plotter. One thing I do recommend people do for their arc droids is get one of these, I think it's a ram mount, and then I just cut like a little bracket and took out 2 of the bolts on the side of it, made this little bracket here to hold it up. Then you can adjust your screen wherever you want. Then you don't have that thing flopping down on your table or whatever. I mean, if you can't reach it, obviously you need to bring it out to where you can reach it, but 90% of the time I'm cutting on just small chunks like this and having it mounted, way nice. Yeah, that's that. The big Oliver, that's sitting around back there. The alternator's not charging, so I got shop manuals for it and a new bezel for it, and I'm fixing to get into that, figure out why it's not charging. More than likely the alternator's shot, but with the dash wiring the way it is, it could be that also. Come on, Flash. Come on, buddy. Let's go outside. All right, that's that. I'm gonna try to do this all in one shot. So you've seen the mess in the little garage. Let me show you what I was doing to cause that mess. And it wasn't just me cutting boards up for fun. Although I do like doing that. All right, home workstation. In case you guys didn't know, I work from home. This is what I've been busy into for the past, well, I don't know, month or so. But we've been we're finishing this bathroom off. I had this here prior was the flooring in the toilet and the sink. But I did just about everything else. Finished the walls out, which drywall work, not my finest suit. Made trim for the tin, all that stuff. The little cabinet behind the sink I made prior to that, but this thing here, finished all that out. The wife's been busy decorating, as you can see. She's pretty good at it. So shower curtain, and then this is one of the bigger projects for it. With the floor being concrete, I had to raise up the tub platform to fit a trap in there, and that's sort of how I got around with it being round. The wife wanted the round tub instead of the squared off tubs. She liked that way better, or not tub, shower I should say. But yeah, so I just took 2x6s and cut, I think it was like 4.5 degrees on each one. Made her the whole way around. It's not 100% perfect, but pretty close. Close enough. We're happy with it. Still have to, whoa. What are you doing here, phone? There we go. Still have to get trim up there, around there, but did that, trimmed up there, just not perfect, but good enough for a basement bathroom. And the last thing I want to show you is the last thing that we got for the shop. Hold on a sec. This is a Bamboo Labs P1P printer, 3D printer. Been playing around with this, and this is about the most fun you can have, and it's just truly awesome what you can do. I've been messing with this I got it probably a month ago, and I've just been designing things and printing things. It's really fun. I made these little ammo boxes here, drew that up, designed it in Fusion 360 and printed them off. Just random things like that. Little rock crawler station there. They're fun. Another thing to waste lots of time and money on. But yeah, this is where I've been. Just been busy with just randomness in life, So I'm hoping to get back into it, the swing of the YouTube, with the 1755 project. That'll be, I think, the next set of videos I make will be on trying to make it charge. I'm pretty sure the alternator is shot, but without the dash working correctly, it could be something with that, not whatever. I got to look into it. So, but here it is. And let's see, there's a couple seals I'd like to replace also. This lift cylinder leaks like a sieve anytime you put fluid to it. I have one to replace it. Actually, it came with the tractor. This hub has been slowly sliding in, so I'm guessing those bolts are loose, so I need to jack it up, loosen those up, slide that back up, tighten it back down. Axle seals are leaking. Axle seals are leaking. Those aren't too terrible. That is from the 3-point arm coming out of the valve body. That I do want to try to get fixed, which that looks like it could be fun and a pretty sizable project. The other one is, if you notice that little puddle of fluid there, that's the power steering fluid. That's coming off of the cylinder right there. And also, again, those cursed injectors, the return line off the injectors is leaking again. I want to revamp that whole T-boot system. I don't like it. But anywho, I'm just rambling at this point. This is just sort of, I don't know what you want to call it, a where I'm at, a status video. So drop a comment if you've seen something you want me to make a video about, you know, any of this stuff. Let me know. Let me know if you like the microphone. I can use it more. I don't know if it's necessary because the phone's audio actually works pretty good. But if you like the way this video sounds better, let me know. And hopefully, Lord willing, I'll be able to make some more videos in a shorter amount of time than the amount of time that it's taken for me to make this video, which has been, I think the last I looked, it's been like 70 days or something like that on my YouTube thing. So, all right, catch you guys next time. Bye.